Welcome to Maths and Science by IITian channel. In due course of time, we have released around more than 30 videos on various topics on number theory, algebra and geometry for the benefit of Math Olympiad and IIT JEE examinations. And as a part of it, today we will be taking up one important logarithmic equation where we are required to solve and plot ln x by x is equal to 1. If these videos add value addition to your knowledge, please view all of them, review, share and subscribe to our channel. The playlist link will be given in the description after the video. Let's delve into the problem. Here, what is the question? Let us take first part. Solve ln x by x. Let us take this. For solving this, we have to know what is ln x. Ln x is nothing but natural logarithm of x. And natural logarithm of x, the values we know, and I have given in the previous lectures also, I have discussed many values. And let's again brief here. Solution. ln 1 is equal to 0. ln 2, these are standard values. Please remember them. ln 4, ln 3, (1.099). ln 4 is nothing but 2 into ln 2. ln 5, (1.609). ln 6 is nothing but ln 2 into ln 3. ln 7. Maybe it is better to have idea about ln values, natural logarithm values up to at least 10. 1.946. ln 8 is nothing but 3 into ln 2. Because ln 2 cube is equal to 8. 3 into ln 2 is ln 8. We need not write it here again. And ln 9 is nothing but 2 into ln 3. Because 9 is equal to 3 square. ln 10 is equal to ln 2 plus ln 5. ln 10 is equal to ln 2 plus ln 5. If you remember these values, it may give you an idea about how the ln x varies with values of x. Now, what is ln 0? ln 0 is nothing but minus infinity. Because ln of a to the base e implies a is equal to e to the power of base e is equal to c implies e to the power of c. That means ln 0 to the natural logarithm is always to the base e is equal to c means e to the power of c is equal to 0. That implies e to the power of minus infinity is equal to 0. That tends to 0. That implies ln 0 is equal to minus infinity. And what is the value of e? E is equal to 2.718. These are the prelims which we are required to know before solving this question. Any logarithmic question in natural logarithms, better to have this idea at the back of your mind so that you can solve the logarithmic problems easily. And similarly, logarithm to the base 10 also same. You find out the values of logarithm to the base 10, you take it as a homework. Repeat the same page for log to the base 10. This type of values you find out. What is log 1, log 2, log 3, log 4, log 5, log 6? You please find out. Now we are in this problem dealing with natural logarithm. We will confine ourselves to natural logarithm. We will proceed further. This is the preliminary knowledge. My lectures will be including knowledge sharing also, in addition to directly solving the problem. Once concepts are understood, problems can be made thousands and problems can be solved very easily. These lectures are for concept clearance, not directly for solving the problems. I will give the tricks, I will clear the concepts, you can apply them in the examination and score well in the examination. That's a better method of learning mathematics. Doing mathematics is learning mathematics. When you can do the mathematics, when your concepts are clear. Now, here the given equation is ln x by x is equal to 1. What it implies? Ln x is equal to x. We can write like this. Here you just see. When x is equal to 1, just see the observation. I am not worried about the values. Not much of the values. X is equal to 1. Ln x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 2, ln x is equal to 0.693. When x is equal to 3, ln x is equal to 1.099. You just see, the growth of x is more when compared with the growth of the ln x. That implies, you please understand the behavior, please understand the concept rather than the answer. X increases faster than ln x. That means at any point of time, the value of x exceeds the value of ln x in real positive values. As a homework, you cross-check the same for negative values. Homework is cross-check the behavior of ln x and x for negative values. You please give your comment. This is a tricky homework. Please do it from your side, whether it is possible or not. If possible, you give the values and tell me the behavior. If not possible, you can say it's not possible. They absolutely no problem. I will respond to your comment to know your understanding about the natural logarithms. This is your homework. Now, when some value a is equal to b will be possible at any point if the rate of change of or gradient of change of are same at any point. If ln x is not increasing at the same pace as x, that means ln x can never be equal to x, as ln x is not moving at the same pace as x. It means ln x is equal to x can never have a real negative. I have given you as a homework. Real, positive or negative, I am not going to comment. I am going to comment on positive values. Negative values, you please find out. It's an exercise for you. Now, that means it has no real solution. Next step is to find out whether it has any solution in the complex plane using the Lambert's equation, which I have already used in the last two previous classes. Here, ln x is equal to x implies x is equal to e to the power of x. X into e to the power of x. Sorry. X is equal to e to the power of x. Ln x is equal to x means ln x is nothing but ln x to the base e is equal to x. That implies x is equal to e to the power of x. Can we write like this? X into e to the power of minus x is equal to 1, since 1 by e to the power of x is equal to e to the power of minus x. Can we bring e to the power of x on the left hand side and say that x into e to the power of minus x is equal to 1? Yes, we can say. Now let us put minus values on both the sides. Multiply with minus 1. Minus 1 into x into e to the power of minus x is equal to minus 1 into 1. That implies minus x into e to the power of minus x is equal to minus 1. Is it in the form, if you remember my previous lecture, is it in the form that w x into e to the power of wx, where wx is the Lambert function, is equal to x? Yes, provided this is nothing but minus 1, or we can say instead of minus 1 we can even write minus x into e to the power of minus x is equal to where x is equal to 1. Can we write like this? Can we write like this? When we put x is equal to 1, it will be 1 into e to the power minus 1 into e to the power of minus 1 is equal to minus 1. When Can we interpret the answer like this? So by interpreting the answer like this, we can say x is equal to minus w minus 1 from the Lambert's equation, which I have explained already in the previous class. Please see that video for understanding this one. Then this is nothing but minus w, we can write w minus 1 and minus 1, that is approximately equal to minus 0.3181 plus 1.3372 into I. This is the final solution. If you have any doubts, please comment. I will give the answer to you. Because when I had explained in the previous class, it was made little bit a longer video, and I don't want to explain again and again the same concept in the subsequent videos, so that you can grasp the concepts from that video which was longer, for e to the power of e to the power of e to the power of 1 by e to the power of 1 by e to the power of 1 by e up to infinity. That is 1 by e to the power of 1 by e to the power of 1 by e up to infinity. This is what was explained in that video. If you see exponential video, I have solved the value of 1 by e to the power of 1 by e to the power of 1 by e up to infinity in Lambert equation as W1. That's around 0.5687. Now, in this equation, because we don't have a real solution, we have gone for this. Now, can we find out any maximum value for ln x by x? Because for plotting we require a maximum value. Maximum value of ln x by x. Because ln x by x is equal to 1 does not have any solution in the real plane, real numbers. And ln x by x is equal to 1 has a solution in complex plane. With the Lambert equation, w minus 1 is approximately equal to 0.3181 plus 1.3372 I. That's in the complex plane. Now what will be the maximum value of ln x by x? Because it's not equal to 1, it should be equal to something. Because as the value of x grows, the value of ln x also grows, but not at the same pace. There is a point where ln x is equal to x. That point, let us try to find out. What is that maximum value? For finding the maximum value, there is a calculus method. That's a very easy method. That is taking derivative That's for IIT JEE students. For Math Olympiad, you can put the values, different values. ln1 is equal to 0. We'll do both the ways. For x is equal to 0, ln x by x is equal to ln 0 by 0. It does not have no solution, no value, no definition. When x is equal to 1, ln x by x is equal to ln 1 by 1, that is equal to ln 1 is nothing but 0. 0 by 1 is equal to 0. When x is equal to 2, ln x by x is equal to 0.693 by 2. It's around 0.693 by 2. 346. We'll take only 3 decimals. That means this way the value is getting lowered. Some value was there, it's come to 0. From 0 it's further come down, ln x by x. And when x is equal to e, let us say 2.718. What will be the value of ln x by x? Ln e to the base e divided by e. That is 1 by e. That is equal to 1 by 2.718, which we can do without calculator very easily. That's approximately equal to 0.3679. And let us say x is equal to 3. ln x by x is equal to, what is the value of ln x? ln 3 by 3. That is equal to 1.099 divided by 3. What is the value of 1.099 by 3? 0.366. You just see, it is 0.3679. Please observe here. It is 0.3679. Here it is 0.346. It increased. Here the value decreased. Here the value decreased. That means there is a value between ln 2 and ln 3. There is a value, maximum value, and it's almost equal to e. Because ln 3, x is equal to 3, the value is 0.366. Where x is equal to 2, it is 0.346. And when x is equal to e, it is 0.3679. That means we can assume this value as the maximum possible value for ln x by x. Maximum value for ln x by x, without calculator we found it as 0.3679, that is 1 by e. Now, by a regular observation, it's an observation, and we will do it using calculus. We will do it using calculus also. Y is equal to ln x by x. That implies dy by dx. The first derivative, dy by dx is equal to 1 minus ln x by x square. You please refer to your higher secondary calculus or pre-calculus courses if you have attended in your secondary schools. Please refer to them. And this is the value of dy by dx. When y is equal to ln x by x, then dy by dx is equal to 1 minus ln x by x square. This is nothing but v by u formula. D by dx of v by u formula. division of two functions. ln x is one function and at the down it is another function, x is another function. Or you can say, you can assume u and v to your convenience, u by v. Or you can write d by dx as function x by gx. Either way, you please refer to your standard calculus textbook and do it. When dy by dx is equal to 0, please remember, when dy by dx is equal to 0, it implies x has maximum value or minimum value, depending upon d square by dx square behavior. Now, dy by dx will be 0. That means 1 minus ln x by x square is equal to 0. Implies 1 minus ln x is equal to 0. That implies ln x is equal to 1. That implies x is equal to e to the power of 1, that is equal to e. Now, what will be the value of ln x by x? X is equal to e. Ln x by x is equal to ln e to the base e divided by e. That is nothing but 1 by e. That is the answer we have got without using calculus also. You can refer to this. That 1 by e value is equal to ln x by x. Maximum is equal to 1 by e is equal to 1 by 2.718 is equal to 0.3679. Now, we have got values of ln x by x for x is equal to 2, x is equal to e, and for x is equal to 3. But ln x by x will never be equal to 1 for real values. And ln x by x, as it is not equal to 1 in real values, we cannot plot ln x by x. It does not have any solution. Hence, we cannot plot the function ln x by x is equal to 1, the equality ln x by x with real values, but only we can plot ln x by x, y is equal to ln x by x graph, because ln x by x is equal to 1 does not have a solution. Solution in real. Hence, ln x by x you try to plot. Try to plot ln x by x for the known values. We have known certain values. And when we try to plot ln x by x, the graph will look like this. Take it as a homework and see whether your plot also looks like this. Take it as a homework and try to plot whether your plot also looks like this. When x is equal to 0, we can't find the value ln 0 by 0. When x is equal to 1, ln x by x is 0. When x is equal to 1, ln x by x is 0. This is x is 1. And when x is equal to 2, ln x by x is equal to 2. 0.346. When x is equal to e, that is approximately here, ln x by x is 0.3679. When x is equal to 3, again it will be almost 0.366. That means when x is equal to 1, it is 0. X is equal to like this. When you draw, it will be like this. My drawing is not up to the scale. Don't worry about the drawing. You please understand the concept. After e, it starts reducing. It starts reducing like this. That means the shape plotting of ln x by x will be like this. I will try to give a, because values are also embedded there, it is not giving a good look. Let's go like this. Somewhere it is 0. And from some negative values it will start. Here it will be maximum at e. X is equal to e. And afterwards it is slowly coming down. And what happens to it? What happens to it? This curve, after reaching maximum value of 0.3679 is your homework. Please do this. I have given 2 homeworks to you. One is, what happens when x is in negative values? Cross check the behavior of ln x and x for negative values. Behavior you cross check, not exact values. A decimal here and there in exact values, it doesn't matter. You should understand the concept. And ln x by x, this is the answer. Plot. It need not be, a curve need not be very sharp like this. It can be little bit like this. What happens to it after achieving the maximum is also of interest of study interest. Because MCQs in IIT JEE or in Mathematics Olympiad, wherever they are asked, the MCQs can be asked from this. The shape of the ln x by x curve and the behavior of the ln x by x curve, the maximum value of the ln x by x value, and what will be the shape of the, what happens to the ln x by x value beyond the maximum value, what will be its shape. Please, and ln x by x can never be equal to 1. The graph of 1 is here, y is equal to 1. Here ln x by x is maximum value is 0.3679. It is not to the scale. E is equal to 2.718. This is the answer for the question. It might have taken little time to explain, but I wanted to clear the concepts rather than to solve a problem. Solving the problem is not the absolute way of teaching. I prefer giving lectures for clearing the concepts in the subjects. Best of luck to you. Thanks a lot for listening to me and viewing this lecture. And I am from Maths and Science by IITian channel, and please subscribe to my channel if there is a value addition to your knowledge with these videos. Please see, view, review and comment and share my other videos also. The playlist in the description, it will be given in the video. Playlist link. Thank you. Best of luck.